Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Aslam Ali Hindi and you are learning SolidWorks 2018. Today we'll be learning about the mirror entities. For example, I am using the spline command and I have made something like this, and I want to make a mirror of this spline around this line. So I will be using the mirror entities for that. Here in this field I have to, once this is in blue color, it means that I can select the entities which I want to mirror. So I'm clicking for this, and then I can click here, and now I can select the line about which I want to mirror. So you can see the preview. This is the mirroring of the entity. And now let's see the magic. I'm trying to change the shape, and you can see as I play with the shape, the main shape, the shape on the other side also mimics it as a mirror image. Same way, if I try to change the mirror image, the original contour also changes with it and follows it accordingly as a mirror image. The way I want to make it, I can do it, but the main condition is that these relations must not be deleted, and then this line about which the mirroring had happened, it must not be deleted. For example, if I delete this file and I try to change this one, you can see there's no change in the other value. We can use this feature, we can utilize this kind of trick to change the main contour or the main sketch entities or the mirrored sketch entities without changing its counterpart. So this we can do with the mirror entities. Now let's go with it once again. I'm taking a line here, then for the mirror entities, this is our entity to mirror, and I don't want to copy, so I'm clicking on the mirror about for this and clicking OK. You can see the original sketch entity has been deleted and the mirrored image has appeared. So it means that if I don't check for the copy, then the original sketch entity will be deleted, or you can say it will be converted into its mirror image. So this is all about mirror entities. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.